class 8 students. Today in this video I'm going to make you explain chapter cube and cube roots. So students, doing cube root, cube means multiplying the number 3 times, right? If you want to do the cube of 8, what you have to do? You have to multiply 8 3 times. 8 multiply 8 multiply 8, then it will be 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. This will be the answer, right? So by this only you have to do the cubing. Okay, after this question I will make you explain cube root. That is the main concept in this question. Second part, 15 cube. 15 cube means 15 multiply 15 multiply 15, that will be 3375. Clear? And for 21, again same, 21 into 21 into 21, right? You will get 9261. Again same for 60, 60 into 60 into 60. Yeah? So coming to the next slide, question number 3, 4 by 7 cube. Nothing is there. You have to multiply 4 by 7 3 times. 4 by 7 multiply by 4 by 7 multiply by 4 by 7. 4 into 4 into 4 will be 64, and 7 into 7 into 7 will be 343. Answer. Again same, 10 by 11 into 10 by 11. Like this you have to multiply 10 by 11 into 10 by 11. I'm going to write over here, just see, like 1, 0, 10, 10 upon 11 into 10 upon 11. 3 times you have to multiply. Okay, 10 upon 11 into 10 upon 11 into 10 upon 11. Clear? So like this, when you will multiply, no, 10 into 10 into 10 will be 1000, right? And 11 into 11 into 11 will be 100, 1331. So 1000 upon 1331 will be the answer. Clear? Same like you have to do 1 by 15 cube. 3 times you have to write 1 upon 15 into 1 upon 15 into 1 upon 15. Then you have to multiply. Again 1 3 by 10. This is in mixed fraction, like this, 1 3 upon 10. And as you know very well that how to convert mixed fraction into normal fraction. How you will convert? 10 ones are 10. 1 plus 3, 13. So answer will be 13 upon 10. So 13 upon 10 you have to multiply 3 times. That's it. Clear? Which of the following are the cubes of even numbers? Right? This is the question. First of all, students, you will have to see that this 216 is a cube of even number or not. Okay, this you have to see. 216 is there, no? You just make the factors of 216. How you will make the factors? You know very well now. By taking LCM. You used to take LCM like this, no? 216 LCM like this. You have to take LCM. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 108. Okay. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Like this only you have to make factors, and this will be the factors. The numbers used to come over here, no, these are the factors. So when you will completely do the factors of 216, no, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This you will get, right? So you can take common from 3. From 3 numbers you have to take common one number. Okay, from 3 you have to make a pair of 3 numbers, same numbers, like 3 2 into 2 into 2. इनमें से एक 2 बाहर आएगा, right? And from 3, these 3 numbers you have to make a group of similar numbers. Okay, in one group you have to put 3 numbers. Okay, same number, 3 into 3 into 3, 16 will come out. So answer will be 2 into 3. So this one is the cube of only 6. Clear? So this will be 216. Cube root of 216 is 6. So this is even number. So yes, you can say that 216 is cube of even numbers. Clear? Like this only you have to do for 512. 512, first of all you will make the factors. It will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like this. Now you have to make the pairs of three numbers, same numbers, and 2 into 2 into 2 will be one pair, 2 into 2 into 2 will be second pair, 2 into 2 into 2 is third pair. In square root we used to do we used to make pair of only two numbers, right? Same numbers, like 2 into 2 one pair, 2 into 2 one pair, right? But in cube you have to take three numbers, three same numbers, 2 into 2 into 2, and you have to take common from one pair one number. From this pair, that is 2 into 2 into 2, I will take 1 2 common. From this, I'm making box now. From this I will take 1 2 common, and from this I will take 1 2 common, and from this I will take one more 2 common. So 2 4 3 2's will come out. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, it will be 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. So 8 is the cube root of 512. Clear? If 8 is cube root of 512, 8 is even or not? It's an even number. So yes, you can write that 512 is having a cube root of 8, which is an even number. Clear? Same like 1000 you have to do. Okay. Next question. And the smallest number by which 8788 be divided so that the quotient is the perfect cube. What's the question? You have to divide 8788 with some number so that quotient is a perfect cube. Okay, so let's make factors of 8788. When you will take the LCM of 8788, now you will get the factors like 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13, right? So from three numbers you can make the pair, right? Three similar numbers. 13 into 13 into 13 is one pair, right? One group you can make. But 2 into 2 is not having third 2 to make it a group, right? So you will divide it by 4 only, because 2 into 2 is extra over here, right? So you will divide it with this 2 into 2, that is 4, to make it a perfect cube, right? So 8788 will be divided by 4 to make it a perfect cube. Clear? Same, third part is 68 cube you have to solve. Here is the question. Find the value of each of the following using the shortcut method. What is the shortcut method, students? First of all, you have to see this. To understand the method or shortcut method, first of all, you have to do the cubing of 25. 25 cube you have to find, no? So let's use shortcut method. For this you have to use the identity. You must know about the identity. So what's the identity? A plus B whole cube, right? A plus B whole cube. You must know the identity first of all. That is, identity of A plus B whole cube is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Clear? So this is the identity. So what you will do, a identity is a square, b square, b square, right? A cube, b cube, or 3a square b, 3ab square. This you have to learn. Okay. So to use a shortcut method, I'm going to explain one concept. You have to learn this identity. You have to make four columns first of all. In first column, you have to put a cube. Okay. In second column, 3a square b. Third column, 3ab square, and the fourth one is b cube. Okay, no need to do this, cancel it, ये ऊपर वाला नहीं करना. Clear? Now a cube means a is 2 over here, so you have to do a cube means 2 ka cube, 2 cube means 8, right? Okay, b is 5, 25 is number, no, so a will be 2 and b will be 5. Okay, next is 3a square b. 3a square means 3 into a is 2. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. It will be 60. Okay, and 3ab square, it will be 150, and b cube means 5 cube means 125. Now students, in this what you have to do, the last digit at one's place you have to take with the answer. So 5 will go with answer. 5 I am going to put over here. See, here it is 5. Okay, rest of two numbers, two digits, that is 12. 12 will go this side and become added to the previous column. So 150 will be added with 12, it will be 162. From 162, the digit at ones place, that is 2, this will go this side. Here, see, 2 is here. After 5, 2 we have to put, no? Then 16 is remaining, no? This will go this side and become added in previous column. 60 plus 16 will be 76. From 76, 6 will go this with answer, okay? And 7 will go, this 7 you have to add in this previous column, okay? 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 is alone only, no? So 15 will come down this side, okay? So 15, 15625 will be the answer. Clear everyone? So in this question, the main concept was a cube, 3a square b. You have to learn this only. A cube, 3a square b, 3ab square b cube. And you must know that, what is the question? 25, no? So a will be 2, b will be 5, and you have to put the values over here. At the place of a, you have to put 2 cube. At the place of 3a square b, you have to put 3 into 2 square into 5, because a is 2 and b is 5. You have to multiply these numbers. 3ab square means 3 into 2 into 5 into 5, okay? And b cube means 5 cube. Clear? Similarly, you can do 68 cube, and 68 cube for this. 6 cube will be 216, 3a square will be 864, and 3ab square will be 1152, and b cube will be 512. And first number will go with answer, number at ones place, and rest of the numbers digits will go to the previous column just to add them in previous column. Clear? Similarly, same like you have to do each and every part. Now, so coming to the next question, that is cube root of 64. Okay, most of the questions I'm going to cover in this video only. If any of the question will left, no, I will give you one more video. Don't worry, okay? Don't be panic. So 64, 4 cube. How you will write cube root of 64? You have to make the factors only. 64 factors of 64 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? So what you will do, you have to make a group of three numbers, three same numbers, right? 2 into 2 into 2, and this 2 into 2 into 2, this will be second group. From these two groups, you have to take 1, 2 common. First group, 1, 2 will come out, okay? And from this second group, other 2 will come out. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 cube, you just do the cube of 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 will be the cube root of 64. Answer. Clear? Next question, cube root of 7 to 9. First of all, you have to make the factors of 7 to 9. It will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And you will make the pairing, grouping of three numbers, same numbers, right? 3 into 3 into 3, this will be the one group, right? And this 3 into 3 into 3, second group. And from this one group, you have to take common 1, 3. And this second group, you have to take common other 3. And 3 into 3 will be 9. 9 cube is 729. This will be the answer. Similarly, for 9261, you have to make factors first of all. 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. These will be the factors, and you have to take common from after making the pairs grouping. From first group, 3 will come out. From second group, 7 will come out. 3 into 7, 21 will be the answer. Like this, you can do for 8000 and 216. Clear? These are the objective questions. You can try. You must try even this.